how to remove an email address from Facebook on Android. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on Android. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now tap Account Center at the top of the screen. Now tap Profiles and Personal Details, then select Contact Info. Here, you'll see the email addresses linked to your Facebook account. Tap the email address you want to remove. Next, tap Delete Email, then review the information shown on the screen. If everything looks good, tap Delete to confirm. Once the process is complete, the selected email address will be removed from your Facebook account. And that's it. You've successfully removed an email address from your Facebook account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.